All right, if you're a developer who's been dipping your toes into AI, you know the data side of things can get messy. We're not talking simple usernames and passwords anymore. We're talking about this complex, high-dimensional data that really fuels modern AI. Think of it like data that has hundreds, even thousands of different features that capture the meaning of something, like a sentence or an image. So let's dive into how this incredible tool called PGVector is completely changing the game, turning the database so many of us already use into a real AI powerhouse.
So what's the big headache here? Well, it really comes down to this split personality in our data world. See, on one hand, you have your nice, neat, structured data. User profiles, sales records, all that good stuff. But on the other hand, you've got this wild, complex data that AI models need, these long strings of numbers that might represent, say, the artistic style of a product photo. And for the longest time, these two worlds just did not get along.
And this slide, it just nails the problem perfectly. It's what we call that two-database problem. You've got your trusted database, maybe Postgres, handling all your normal structured stuff. But then, to add any AI features, you're forced to spin up a totally separate specialized vector database just to manage these embeddings. And what does that mean? It means more complexity, higher costs, and a massive headache for any developer trying to keep it all in sync.
But what if you didn't need two systems? What if you could just upgrade the database you already know and love? Well, that's exactly where PGVector steps in. This isn't about replacing anything. It's about giving your existing setup a massive power-up. So what is this thing really? Simply put, PGVector is an open-source extension for PostgreSQL. The best way to think about it is like installing a new app on your phone that gives it a brand new superpower. And in this case, that superpower is the ability to store, index, and search through all those high-dimensional vector embeddings right next to your regular user data. It basically unifies your traditional world and your AI world.
Let's just walk through how this works, because it's actually incredibly simple. First, you take your data, could be text, could be images, whatever, and you use an AI model to turn it into those numerical embeddings. Step 2, you just store those embeddings in a new vector column right inside your PostgreSQL table. And 3, you start querying for similar stuff. That's it. It's that straightforward.
Okay, so storing vectors is cool, but searching through millions or even billions of them without waiting forever, that's where the real magic is. So how on earth does PGVector pull off these lightning-fast searches? To get our heads around this, let's use an analogy. Imagine you're in a massive library and you need to find a book on a very specific topic. You're not going to walk down every single aisle and read the cover of every single book, right? Of course not. That would take days. You'd use an efficient system, like the library's digital catalog, to find exactly where to go. PGVector's indexes work just like that.
Now this is where it gets really interesting, because PGVector gives you a few different library catalog strategies. A flat search is basically that brute force method of checking every single book. It's 100% accurate, but it gets slow with big data sets. Then you have IVFFlat, which is kind of like asking the librarian, hey, where's the AI section? It groups similar things together and only searches the most relevant clusters. It's a fantastic balance of speed and accuracy. And then you have HNSW, the top-tier option. This is like a super smart, multi-layered digital catalog that guides you to the right spot almost instantly. It's incredibly fast and accurate, perfect for serious, large-scale applications.
So we get what it is, we get how it works, but the most important question is, what can you actually build with this stuff? Let's get into some of the really powerful applications this unlocks in the real world.
And honestly, the sky's the limit. You can build search engines that actually understand the meaning of what you're asking for. You can power up AI assistants using a cool technique called RAG. We'll touch on that in a sec. You can build amazing recommendation engines. You can spot fraud or weird patterns with anomaly detection, and you can even build systems to search for similar images or audio clips. It's a huge toolkit.
Let's dig into semantic search for a second. A normal, old-school search for the word optimism would only find documents with that exact keyword. But with PGVector, you can search for the concept or the vibe of optimism. The system knows that a report talking about a positive future outlook and strong growth forecasts is what you're looking for, even if the word optimism is nowhere to be found. That's a massive game changer.
And what about those super smart AI assistants? Well, a lot of them use a process called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, and it works like this. You ask the AI a question. Before it answers, PGVector dives into a private knowledge base, say your company's internal wiki, and pulls out all the most relevant documents. It then hands that info to a large language model, which uses that fresh context to give you a smart, accurate, and fact-based answer. PGVector is the component that makes the AI truly knowledgeable.
All right, as we start to bring this all together, let's just zoom out for a moment. The real power of PGVector isn't just one cool feature. It's about a fundamental shift in how we think about building AI-powered apps.
And if you remember one thing from all this, it should be this. PGVector solves the two-database problem. It brings your regular relational data and your complex AI vector data together, all under one roof, inside the database you already know and trust. No more data silos. No more trying to sync two different systems. It's just one unified database.
And this chart just says it all, doesn't it? When you avoid having to manage a whole separate, specialized database, your infrastructure complexity just plummets. And that directly translates into saving your developers time and saving your company money. It's all about making your entire tech stack simpler and more efficient.
So here's the bottom line. PGVector lets you simplify your architecture, bring your costs down, and unlock these incredibly powerful AI features like semantic search and RAG, all without having to leave the database you're probably already an expert in.
What this really does is it fundamentally changes the game. The barrier to building truly sophisticated AI applications has just been lowered. A lot. The tools are right there, ready to be used inside the technology you're already comfortable with. Which really just leaves one big exciting question. Now that your database is AI ready, what are you going to build with it?